Hi everyone, this is Dr. Priya Rohan once again with a question and answer session. So I was getting these emails and questions for many mental health related questions. So today I picked up a question sent by one of my YouTube follower. So I'll be reading the question and I'll try to do a suggestive talk as I do every time. So let's get into the question. So he wrote me, whenever I see someone very successful or have those things I don't have, makes me feel very jealous. Is it a mental health disorder or a normal human brain phenomena? Does mental health therapy help overcoming this? Yeah, it's an interesting question. So yes, mental health therapy helps you to overcome this, and the main fact is here that you pointed out that it's a mental health disorder. It is true. Like getting jealous every time, it is a mental health disorder. Getting jealous sometimes, in some conditions, that is a human brain phenomena, but getting jealous all the time, it is a mental health disorder. So I would congratulate you that you have actually picked out your problem and you emailed me, because that shows your concern towards your mental health. So for overcoming jealousy, there are few things you need to follow. First of all, you have to build your self-esteem. When you feel your self-esteem is low, then your brain tends to make you feel jealous to other person, because it's not possible. If you start comparing us with every other, the successful person, will not get that satisfaction inside our heart. I'm successful, maybe some other person is more successful than me. So there should not be any jealousy. You can have a healthy competition, but not jealousy. Jealousy is something, it's unhealthy for your mind, unhealthy for your body. So if you are jealous, you can feel yourself that you don't feel that satisfaction inside. You feel restless, nervous, you get this anxiety because you are jealous. That means jealousy is a bad thing, right? Like we have been taught by our elders in our childhood that you don't get jealous to other people. It's not good for your health. So it is true. So first of all, like you have to make your self-esteem you have to boost your self-esteem. Like I told in my previous videos that you have to point out the positive qualities in you. Like when you stand in front of a mirror and look at yourself and see what are the qualities you have given by God and you have came in this world, what are the qualities? Like every person has their own qualities. So you have to boost those qualities. You have to polish those qualities. If you keep on cringe or keep on, go in that negative side of your mental health and keep on thinking, oh, this person has these things I don't have, that will not help you. That will not help you in anything. You tell me, does it help you? It didn't. That's the reason you emailed me. That's the reason you thought that's a problem. So you have to understand that only cribbing or cringing about something will not help you out. So when you look for your positive qualities, you boost your self-esteem. You know that yes, I have this and this and that. So maybe you have 40% positive qualities, 60% negative qualities. So if you boost those 40% qualities, it will be more, if you give this double dose to your 40% mental health positive qualities, you can boost it to 80%. Like you can be more confident about yourself, and then focus your mind in meditation or do something, make yourself busy. That's very important. If you make your brain idle or keep on thinking this other stuff, what is going around with other people, it will make you more vulnerable to this kind of ideas of jealousy. So it's always better to make yourself busy. Do some hobby, like whatever you like, music, dancing, painting, and everything, whatever makes you happy, you have to do that thing. So when you actually focusing your brain towards something you like, your brain will get busy, and then your brain will be happy because you're doing something you like. So the happy neurotransmitters will be releasing into your brain. So that eventually will make you happy, and your brain will be fulfilled with those positive ideas, and eventually you'll have no space in your brain for jealousy or any negative qualities. So main part of overcoming some mental disorder is to understand what's your problem. If you don't understand that jealousy is a problem, no one can help you, because you are the first one. I keep repeatedly telling this, that you are the in charge of your own mental health. So when you know there is a problem in your mental health, like you wrote, so first step you did, that there is a problem in your mental health. It's not normal. So now when you found out that there is a problem, you contacted me, or people contact some therapist or anyone who is mental health professional. So that's the first step and major important step, I would say, you have taken. So next step is to focus, because when you are ready, your brain is ready to understand, to listen to someone. You were ready to listen to me. That's the reason you wrote, right? Because your brain was fulfilled that idea of getting rid of this jealousy feeling. So now the therapy can help you more better because you are ready by yourself with the positive qualities, that the positivity has started around inside your brain. So if my talk therapy session helps you to focus on the positivity inside your mind, you'll be aware of this situation and you'll be in that more positive mindset. If you think that only you are not able to help yourself more, you need a professional support, you should take a professional support, because there are many mental health methodologies like CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, even hypnotherapy. Like the combination of hypnotherapy and CBT, like 70% patients has been they have shown positive this feedback through these sessions, because the combination of CBT and hypnotherapy is really helping people. It's showing in research also. So there is no medication involved, there is no machines involved, nothing involved. Like you will go in a talk therapy session, or you will do some mental health exercise that will reduce your stress, reduce your anxiety, or boost your that mental strength, which is very important for a person. When you are confident, when you know that, oh yes, I'm confident. See, it doesn't matter how you look, what you have. If you are satisfied with your own things, you are happy. You don't give any other person that authority to make you feel bad. Okay, like if you are jealous of that other person, because that means that person has given you that authority, he or she is controlling your brain. Don't let that happen. No one can control your brain. It's you are the in charge of your own brain. So understand the brain properly, understand yourself first, ask your qualities and love yourself. When you love yourself, nothing can make you jealous. When you love yourself, what you have, what are the qualities you have been born with, or what are the positive qualities you have, you will have that feelings towards yourself. When you actually love yourself, you can never get jealous of any other person, because one thing you have to understand, loving yourself means not getting selfish. Being selfish is a different thing, that you are just all about yourself. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying love your own qualities. When you love yourself as a human being, human beings have some qualities like they're compassionate. You have to be compassionate towards others. So when you love yourself, you'll be automatically happy. As I tell in every video, that you don't have to force yourself to be happy. You cannot fight with yourself to be happy. When you love yourself, you feed your brain. If you give the good thoughts, good that loving compassion towards yourself, that will make you automatically happy. So I hope that this answer or the suggestive talk I was doing helped you, or it helps you towards your future. If you think you need more support, I think you should consult with any professional, mental health professionals. So there's nothing wrong in consulting a professional. Okay, when you know that your mental health, there is something inside your mental health or which is bothering you, you should take a professional help. That is very, very important. So do not feel bad or do not feel anything shy about it. So but one thing I can tell you, if you go through my words, through my suggestive talks, what I said, and you can do it by yourself, it will help you through to get out of the jealousy, because you are the in charge of your mental health, as I tell. And if you can't do it, then you have to take a help of someone else to get it done. There are many mental health specialists and mental health therapies are blooming these days. It's helping many people. So I hope it will help you too. And thank you for questioning me and mail me back. And I ask everybody to do that. So for every answer, it doesn't get possible for me to pick up all the questions and answer. So I pick up these interesting questions. I hope to get more questions. At least I'll try to give more and more answer on these questions. So yeah, I hope everyone stay happy, stay safe, and as I always say, keep your mental health safe and healthy. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my channel, as I say all the time. So thank you so much guys, and love you all. Thank you.